Hi friends, welcome back to Detailing CAD. In this video, we are going to learn about the modification tools, chamfer, fillet, trim, extend. Okay, so here first of all we'll see about the chamfer. Already we have seen chamfer in rectangular tool. Right now I'm just going to take two lines here. So first line, just if you want to get the straight lines, already we have discussed this before. You can turn on the ortho mode. I'm just drawing a line of 100 here, 100 and 100, and I want to make number of steps here. Like I want to copy these lines again and again. So previously we have seen copy command. No? So CO is the shortcut key for copy. So simply we can make use of CO command and we can select the objects, enter. So since I have to place this object at bottom side like this, so this will be acting as the base point and you can copy it here and this one. Okay, and yeah, one more I will add another two tools also, explode and joining. So right now we are having the line object here. Okay, so I'm just selecting this one and going for copy command CO and just placing it beside this one. Since here both are line objects only, now I want to convert this line object into polyline. Just remember, whenever we are having a line object, simply we can convert that into a polyline, or if you are having any individual objects and you want to connect them or you want to convert them into a single object, then we can make use of command join, J, enter. Okay, so simply just I am going to select the required lines over there, so whatever I want to join, and enter. So simply it will be converted into a polyline. There will be no differences in the drawing will be perfectly alright, only the conversion will be taking place here. So if I am selecting this second object, total line has been selected, and if you place the cursor on the object, it will be showing as a polyline here. Okay, so if you are selecting on the first object, just we are going to get the lines. Okay, and lines are selected as individual objects like this. Now we'll see how to apply the chamfer here. CHA is the chamfer tool. So chamfer is nothing but an inclined edge at the corners. So CHA is the shortcut key, and to apply the chamfers we are having two methods. So yeah, so it is asking to select first line. If you are going for down arrow, you are going to get the options on the screen like this. You can select the distance option here. I mean there are two methods, distance and angle. I am just selecting the distance method here, and it is asking to specify the first chamfer distance. Since I have taken 100 by 100 lines here, I am going to give the first chamfer as 30 and let the second chamfer distance be 20. And though it is a polyline object, polyline is nothing but it will be selected as a single object here. So what is happening here, if I am selecting the polyline also, only single lines has been selected and chamfer has been applied only for the one corner. Okay, so I'm just undoing this one, Control Z. Yeah, chamfer again, and if you want to apply chamfer for total all the corners of the polyline, then we can select the polyline option from this list. Select polyline, and it is asking for distance or angle here. So distance is nothing but from the corner, whatever the distance at whatever the distance the line has to be formed, you have to give the distance. I'm just going for angle now. It is asking for specify chamfer length on the first line. Okay, so let it be something around 20, and next it is asking to specify chamfer angle from the first line. Okay, I'm going to give it as 30 here, 30 degrees, enter. You can click or select the polyline anywhere on the object. So what is happening here, from all the corners chamfer has been applied like this. Okay, if we consider this corner, this will be acting as the first line and this will be acting as the second line. Okay, coming to this one, this will be acting as the first line and this will be acting as the second line. Since polyline is a connected object, chamfer will be applied in that order only, like first, second, third, in that order only the chamfer will be taken. Okay, and if you want to apply chamfer for multiple objects, then you can go for chamfer, enter. So simply we can go for multiple option here, and you have to choose the methodology you have which you want to use there. So just going for distance, and I'm going to give the distance as 15 and another distance, let it be 25. So if I'm selecting this as the first line, 15 will be taken on this one and 25 will be taken on the second line. If I want to apply 15 on the horizontal again, so select first line as this one and second line as this one. Since we have selected multiple option here, we can apply chamfer for multiple objects like this. Okay, hope you understood this one about the chamfer. Next we'll see the trim option in the chamfer. Here when we are applying the chamfer, automatically this whatever the extra portion at the corner is there, that has been trimmed automatically. If you don't want to trim that portion, so simply we can go for chamfer, and here we can select the trim option. So just go for trim, and it is asking enter trim mode option. Default it was trim. So whenever we are applying the chamfer, automatically the extra portion has been trimmed. If you want to remain that portion, then go for no trim, and you have to select the distances. Previously whatever the distances I have applied, that is acting as the default values here. So if you observe, the length as 20 and angle is taken as 30 here. Okay, so just I'm going to select the first line and second line directly, and if you observe here, automatically the corner has been retained like that. Okay, so if you want to remain the corner portion, just keep the trim option as no trim. If you want to remove that by default, then you can go for trim in the trim option. Okay, so I think you understood about the chamfer tool. Next we'll go for the fillet tool. Meanwhile, I'm just undoing the screen here. Yeah, so next tool is fillet. Fillet is nothing but a rounded corner. I mean, like just now we got the inclined edge for the chamfer. In the fillet, what we are going to do is we will be applying a rounded edge at the corners. Effect, there is a shortcut key, enter. If you observe, we are getting polyline trim and multiple, same as chamfer only, but just the input will be varying here. For fillet, we need to give the radius option. Just go for radius, and it is asking to specify the fillet radius. Okay, so let the fillet radius be 20, enter. And if I want to apply for polyline, I just select the polyline, and just you can click on any line, and automatically the fillet has been applied to all the corners like this. Okay, and if I want to apply for multiple corners or multiple objects fillet, then we can go for multiple option, and if you want to remain the extra portion, so you can go for trim. I'm just getting these options by clicking the down arrow on the keyboard. Just you can go for keyboard over there, down arrow on the keyboard. I'm just going for trim and keeping it as no trim. I'm selecting this one and second. So automatically the fillet has been applied, but the extra portion has also been remained. Since I have kept multiple, I can apply fillet for multiple times here. Okay, so it is asking to select the first object, and this is as the second object. We are going to get the fillet like this. Okay, otherwise all the other options again same. So if you want to trim the extra portion, just go for trim in the trim option again, and if you want to remain the extra portion like this, then you can go for no trim in the trim option. Okay, so I hope you understood about the chamfer and fillet tool. We'll proceed for the next tools. Now we will see the trim and extend tools. So already we have seen the trim and chamfer also. So trim is nothing but, for example, just I am taking a rectangle like this. REC is the shortcut key for rectangle, and I'm just drawing an example here. Okay, just I'm taking another circle. If you have any doubts in circle or rectangle tool, you can see those videos here. You can click on this I button, and you can directly go for those videos. Okay, yeah. And yeah, so just I have drawn number of items like this, and if you want to remove the extra portions in the object, so if you simply we can go for trim command. Okay, so F8, I'm just turning off the auto mode here. Yeah, TR 2 times enter. Simply just give the command as TR, and you can double click on the trim. Just go for double enter, and select the extra portion you want to remove there. For example, I'm just selecting this arc. It will be automatically trimmed like this. Okay, for example, I want to remove this line, or I want to remove this semicircular portion, or I want to remove this line. Like this we can remove the extra portion. Similar way, there is another option, another facility. We can extend an object by using the trim command. If you read the command which we are getting on the screen, it is showing like select object to trim, or shift select to extend the object. If you are holding the shift button and selecting the object, it will be automatically shift to the relative obstructions there, relative boundaries. Okay, So if I'm selecting this line first, it will be, since this line is, hold shift button and select the line first boundary. It is extended till here, and if I'm selecting this line again, it has been extended till this rectangular outline. And if I'm holding shift and selecting the line again, it has been extended till the arc. Okay. So if you are releasing the shift, it will be trim. If you are holding the shift button, it will be extended. Okay. So here we are having options like fencing, crossing. So without choosing these options also, we can go for the tool. So if fence is nothing but if you want to trim multiple portions, so you can draw the outline like this. Okay. So simply you can draw the outline. Just go for fence option. First point, second point, third point, and fifth point. So like this, you can select the portions you want to trim. Okay. Similarly, we are having the crossing option also. Fence is manual selection. I mean manual boundary. Whereas coming to crossing, just we are going to select like this. Okay. So according to that selection, boundaries and object to be trimmed will be selected automatically like this. Okay. This will be useful when we are having multiple objects to trim. Then we can go for either crossing or fencing. There is no need to choose the options actually. So see, if I want to delete this line and semicircle, simply you can click, and if you go right side or left side, you'll be getting this crossing box, that is green color box. So simply you can select it here and it will be automatically trimmed. Okay. Hope you understood this trim command. Next I will be forwarded for the extend command. So EX is the shortcut key for extend. EX double enter. So it is asking to select object to extend. If I am going to select this arc, it has been extended. Similar way, I can select this line. Okay, I can select this rectangular length. Okay, simply it will be extended. If you want to trim by using the extend command, same procedure. Just hold shift button, and whatever the portion you want to delete there, simply you can trim there like this. Okay, so actually it's not delete, it will be trimmed like this. By using trim command, if you want to extend, or if you want to trim by using extend command, so for both of the procedures, just hold shift button. If you want to, vice versa the option. Okay, hope you understood this extend and trim commands also. We'll proceed for explode command. Previously I have said join command. Join is used to combine the line objects into polyline or any individual given objects into a single object. Okay, if you are having polyline or rectangle or any grouped objects or a single object which are having multiple segments in that one, and you want to ungroup them. So if I am going to draw a rectangle, and if you place your cursor on the object, simply it is showing as the polyline. If you are drawing polygon, rectangle, polylines, etc., when we are placing the cursor on the object, simply it will be showing as the polyline. If you want to convert this single object, if you are selecting this one, it has been selected as a single object. If I am selecting on this one also, it has been selected as a single object. If you want to convert that into a single, individual objects, then you can go for explode. X is the shortcut key, so enter, and simply you have to select the objects you want to break up there. Okay, so select and enter. Explode is also called as breakup in the AutoCAD. Okay, so in the updated versions here we can use the breakup command also. So if you select these objects here, it is selected as individual objects like this. Okay, so join is used to convert individual objects into a single object, and explode is used to ungroup the grouped objects or a singly selected object. Okay, so till now we have discussed explode, chamfer, fillet, trim, extend, and explode. Okay, so in the next video I will be coming up with some examples. We'll see these all the discussed modification tools. We'll be apply these all the tools in some examples. Hope you understood my video. If you like the content, please click on the like button and share with your friends, and please subscribe for more updates. Thank you. Have a nice day.